Hello, and welcome to the wonderful world of photography. Here we have a little dog. I am not sure of the breed of the dog. I think it's a purebred dog, but I really don't know. I just don't know. All I know is I was out visiting and shooting some pictures, and along came this little fellow, and I thought, he looks photogenic. So I followed him around a little and was able to get in a good position. I'm suspecting I was very likely on my knees or lower, and he stopped and sort of looked over, kind of to, assess the world, see what was going on, sniff the roses, or, who knows. But anyway, he kind of froze, and I said, interesting, that. So I shot a few. Now, of course, his face hair is not perfect, but, sometimes it is the imperfections that make pictures better. Anyway, I don't know the name of the little dog. And chances are, because I shot this many, many years ago, he has, or she has gone to little doggy heaven. But because I was there, he or she will now live forever. Ever and ever and ever and ever and ever. Anyway, thanks for coming. Thanks for having a look. Keep shooting, keep training your eye, and have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.